In this video, we are going to see about half adder and full adder. Now we are going to see about half adder. Combinational design procedure for half adder. We require two logic gates for making half adder circuit, namely XOR gate and AND gate. A half adder has two inputs and two outputs. Let the input variables be designated as A and B and output functions be designed as S for sum and C for carry. Objective. The half adder is constructed using XOR and AND gate. The half adder has two inputs and two outputs. Let the input variables be designated as A and B and output functions can be designated as S for sum and C for carry. Input and output variables. Input variables is equal to AB, either 0 or 1. Output variables is equal to SC, where D is equal to sum and C is equal to carry. This is the truth table for half adder. This is the Boolean expression and this is the circuit diagram. The components used are two input switch, one XOR, one AND. Now let us check the outputs. I have taken two toggle switches, one XOR gate, one AND gate and two bulbs. I have labeled it as A, B, XOR, AND, sum and carry. Now I am connecting it. We got the output correctly. This is about half. In this video, we are going to see about full adder. Combinational design procedure for full adder. The full adder is a combination of AND or NOT gate. In a full adder, the logic circuit should have three inputs and two outputs. This is the diagram for combinational design procedure. Objective. In order to add two binary numbers, a full adder is required for each bit in the number. Thus, for 2-bit numbers, we need two full adders. Similarly, for the addition of 4-bit numbers, we need 4 full adders and so on. Input and output variables. Input variables is equal to A, B, either 0 or 1. Output variables is equal to SC, where D is equal to sum and C is equal to carry. This is the truth table for full adder. And this is the Boolean expression, and this is the circuit diagram for full adder, and the components required are 3 input switch, 2 XOR gate, 2 AND gate and 1 OR gate. Now let us check the output. I have taken 3 toggle switches and 5 gates and 2 bulbs. I labeled it as A, B, sum, text, carry. Now I am going to connect it with the gates. Now we can check the result. We are getting the outputs. These are the outputs for full adder. This is about full adder.